This is a quick start guide for the Excel Skills Annual Leave Template. Annual leave template can be used to control annual leave and to record leave days and to monitor leave days throughout a calendar year. Let's start with the template setup sheet or the summary sheet. The first step is to specify a start date. The start date is used to determine the calendar year that will be controlled in the template. The template only functions for one calendar year, after which you can save a new copy of the template for the next calendar year and just roll forward all the dates and the setup. The end date is automatically determined based on the start date that you enter. The number of work days is calculated based on the start and end dates. You can enter the number of holidays. This only really affects the calculation of the provision for leave. You can also select the month-end period that you want to review leave balances for. Now, the column headings for user input columns have yellow column headings, and the light blue column headings contain formulas which automatically extinct as you add data to the template. So in terms of the user input, if you record an employee code, employee name, department code, the date that the employee was initially employed, the date terminated if the employer has left, monthly salary, this is the gross salary, leave entitlement, the number of days leave that an employee gets for a full calendar year, and then the opening leave days if there is any opening days that's carried forward from the previous year. So the leave accrued, if calculated automatically based on the leave entitlement and the period that you select. The leave days taken, that is based on what is recorded on the leave sheet. Leave days paid, also on the leave sheet. And then the leave days due is the balance of days leave that the employee has outstanding. The leave provision is then calculated based on the monthly salary and the number of days times the days outstanding. Pretty straightforward. Let's look at the leave sheet. The leave sheet, you're going to record all the days leave that's taken on this sheet. So you enter the date of the leave, the form number if applicable, employee code, the number of days that's taken, payment indicator, so you just enter a P if the leave was paid out instead of leave that has been taken, and then the employee name is populated automatically based on the summary sheet. So once the leave is recorded, it's automatically included in this leave days taken or leave days paid column. The other sheet is the monthly sheet, and this sheet can be used to view the days taken throughout the calendar year under review. This sheet is automatically populated, so the formulas have been included in the first 30 cells. If you have more than 30 employees, you can just take the last cell, copy the formulas in that row, and paste if included the required number of additional rows. So that's basically it for the annual leave template. We've also included detailed instruction sheets. If there's anything else that's not clear, you can just review the template instructions, and also visit our YouTube support section to see if there's any videos included that's by some user feedback for this template.